we are in the month of December and year end is going to come 31st March. So before that, many companies are asking for the investment detail to be submitted to take the tax exemptions. So yes, my dear friend, today we are going to discuss on what kind of investment to be done and which one will be helpful for the best exemption plan. So let us discuss in detail one by one. Krishna, and you're watching Bala Online. I'm going to discuss on the best mutual fund which provides you the tax benefit as well as the best return over the period of time. Before we start what is a mutual fund and before we understand in detail what is mutual fund, I think we should understand the basic thing what is shareholdings. So there are two kinds of investment. One is shares and one is mutual fund. In case of shares, you have a high risk. At the same time, you can also enjoy if the company makes more profit. Okay, let's start off mutual fund now. What is mutual fund? My different mutual fund is nothing but a fund which is invested in different kinds of investment. Example, shareholdings, bonds, government investments, etc., etc. In this scenario, we have less loss. It's a less risk. At the same time, you also enjoy little less profit than the shareholders. But here we have a good security. Let's take for an example. I'm investing maybe around 50,000 rupees now in December with XYZ bank. So in turn, that banks invest my 50,000 rupees in different kinds of shares, different kinds of bonds, including private sectors, public sectors, as well as the government bonds. So in this case, what happens, my friend, maybe one part of the investment goes in loss, but another part of investment makes profit. So on the contrary, you will not make any much loss, but you will not make with the high returns as well. Number one. Number two, since before starting that, we have two kinds of mutual fund. One is fixed and one is open-ended. Open-ended, you can sell it anytime or you can withdraw anytime. In case of closed-ended, there is nothing but to save taxes. So minimum mutual fund close period is 3 years and 5 years. So usually I prefer the 3 years because once I invest 50,000 rupees, immediately I can get the tax exemption up to 30%, and after 3 years maybe approximately ranging from 15 to 20% minimum I get the returns. So previously where I invested, I got 20% returns when period was over, that is after 3 years, and immediately 20% returns I got the tax benefit. So overall I got 40% return on my investment. Having said, in case if you are invested the mutual fund in a good bank or good institution, so you can also expect the good returns, maybe around 30 to 40% as well, so including tax benefit. So I think if you are looking for a immediate benefit, you go for shares, but there is a lot of risk. You need to do too much analysis and you should study the market each and every day. You should have a close eye on the market. So in the case of mutual fund, it is up to you. Just invest and leave it on your behalf. The mutual fund officer or the bank will do the analysis on behalf of you. So I prefer the mutual fund for the tax benefit, also to the secure earning. So friends, this was a short video on mutual fund. So in case if you want me to make the video detail on mutual fund point to point, please let me know in comments. So I will try to make a detailed video on mutual fund. So in case apart from the mutual fund you also want me to make video on shares or other investment, please let me know. I will try to do. Until then, thank you for watching my video. So friends, as I have promised, I'm just revealing the best mutual fund, which is nothing but HDFC mutual fund. So you can check in Google HDFC mutual fund online. That is the best one where you can expect the good amount of return and very secure. Why I'm saying is I have already invested earlier and I got the decent returns, and it is very safe. So I'm not publicizing HDFC nor I'm getting any returns. I'm just sharing my experience if this helps you and other friends as well. So thank you very much. In case if you like the video and in any manner this video has helped you in investing and saving the tax, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel for receiving any other kind of videos or more videos on finance and investments. Thank you.